Cinnamon Toast Crunch pudding shots. Look at that. That's a real Cinnamon Toast Crunch flake. A single bit of cereal is what, a flake? I don't know. Okay, so let's start off with some vanilla pudding. A bit of milk. Come behind that milk with a nice little stir. Stir. And then we come behind it with some rum cream. Delicious rum cream, okay? A bit of Fireball. Cinnamon whiskey, okay? Now you get some more stirring going on. Beautiful. And you come behind that with some whipped topping. You see what we're doing here, guys? We create a nice pudding. How many of you know about pudding? Okay. Now we get some Cinnamon Toast Crunch and we stir that in. Okay. And now we scoop that in. But guys, you could break up your Cinnamon Toast Crunch. You don't have to put in whole flakes. You could break it up so it could spread throughout. So every bite, you have a little bit of Cinnamon Toast Crunch in it. Now you refrigerate that bad boy and you break out the whipped cream. So now you whip it up, okay? And then you get singular flakes of Cinnamon Toast Crunch. What are they called? Single flakes? Little pieces? Tidbits? I don't know. Put it in the comments below what the hell a single Cinnamon Toast Crunch is called. Stay Tipsy!